Alright, coming with y'all with another Uber Eats. It's your boy. About to show y'all how to get this money. And I'm also about to show people this is what happens when you order Uber Eats. Now I just dropped off one. This one I like it when it's like this, like when you drop off one and then it's another one already here and ready for you. So I just dropped off one and about to do another one. So when you first order, this is basically the last one I just did. It was $5.34. I was only like 10 minutes away. So I just dropped that off and then it pinged again. And that's the best things because then you could just hit them up back to back. So when you order it, this is what's gonna happen. Got me going to Dilly Bistro, grabbing it for Angela. Now this is going to be a pulled pork barbecue sandwich or something like that. I like to go on this right here, this little three things, because it shows you what the order is. Sometimes they may have two orders, like pulled pork and coleslaw and a drink, and it actually tell you what that is, so you don't have to basically so you can basically know what it is, because a lot of people just grab whatever it is and then you get a ping from Uber Eats like, hey, you missed, somebody said they forgot their order or something like that. So, and it's like, hey, I just grabbed the bag that the person at the restaurant gave to me. So sometimes I go on that. Well, I go on that a lot just to make sure I'm getting a basic order and see exactly what it is. Let me go ahead and get up at the stop sign. So I'm gonna go pick this up. I'm gonna deliver it to the lady. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what it is, what we do, how fast you can get it. You know what I mean? It all depends on your driver and everything. Also, if you're trying to get some money, this is a good way to go ahead and out here and get some money. I'm gonna leave the link in the comments so you can go ahead and sign up. If it's for you, it's for you. If it's not, it's not. But what I like to say is, like, man, if you got a little car, man, and you getting a lot of gas mileage, it's definitely be a good thing for you. I mean, as a side job, I mean, you get off, you may work 9 to 5, and hey, from 6 to 8, you like to do Uber Eats and get some money like that. So, I mean, if you can put $10 in your tank and make 60, you know what I mean, that'd be a quick gain for some extra money. So this right here is 3 minutes away. I'm gonna show y'all what it pays me and everything as well. And also it gives out reward points. So I think it's giving out 5 or 3 reward points right there, and that, as I showed you on my other one, it you get like gold, platinum status and stuff like that, and they give you even extra rewards for even doing it. So I'm about to be pulling up to the place. I'm gonna go get the order for the pulled pork, and I'm gonna deliver it to a lady, and I'm gonna show y'all what it pays and everything after that. Alright, I'm about to go up in the place. Man, where I got this Angela. Go for Angela.
I didn't find it, you found it. Oh, that's good. I was like, I don't think we've been over here yet. So I was like, maybe it's another little kid that I'm talking before.
Got an Uber for Angela.
Okay. Oh, my clothes.
Excuse me.
All right.
I saw it.
All right. Thank you. You too.
How it is. Yes. It takes a while. Exactly. So are you here?
Hello. All right. Alright, so that was just me going to get it. So Angela got the stuff. It's gonna come right here. I'm gonna just put just put start delivery. Boom, showing me 12 minutes away. So about to go ahead do this. So then I'm gonna show y'all how much it's paid. And also got how people do when they get your stuff. I get your stuff, put it right here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's nice and cozy. So you can get it and munch or whatever. But I'm about to go ahead and get through this little traffic. We gonna get it to the spot. I'm gonna show y'all what it pay. And also, like I said, go on the link, man. Check it out. Try to sign up if you like. If you want to make some extra bucks, I think it's the best way. If you definitely got a little car, it's a good way to go. So, but to go ahead and get to the spot, it's gonna take me about like 12 minutes. And I'm gonna show y'all what it pay and everything. All right, I'm about to be pulling up to this one. This one looking like it's gonna be at a office building. So I'ma just take this right up on in here. Come on, y'all, let's just drive. Just gotta be careful about where you're going. Gotta look at the map and know where you're going. I think that's it. Damn car done blocked the view. Yeah, 82, 30. Yeah, 82, 80. So, you know what I mean? Sometimes you get them from the, yeah, you can text the customer or whatever. I like to text them, let them know I'm pulling up, because sometimes, you know, people, you don't know what people be doing. I had people somewhere and they like, oh, I forgot you know what I mean? And they way down the street at a friend house or something like, and you like, oh, man. So that's just what I like to do. I almost forgot the food. I'm tripping, y'all. I'm all in YouTube video mode. Alright, so let's say seat, sweet. Second flow, tell me where to go. So go in there and get some candy. They got a little candy bar. I'm just giving y'all the whole extent of the whole Uber trip. This the whole one right here. Like, order the food all the way to where I'm dropping it off. So, and I hope y'all tip. That's the most important thing, because I can turn a tip, a $5 tip to a $10 trip. So. Okay, sweet 200. Okay, here we go. Research, okay. Hello, Angela. Yes, ma'am.
Have a good one.
You have a good one.
Thanks.
There you go. Nice one. You got a nice little setup in there. That's like one of them jobs that you like to have. Like everybody kicking it. Got the little refrigerator. Except for somebody eat your food. But yeah, I just did that trip. Alright, so that was a quick look. 680 right there, and that's why I say, like, if she tip, then that turn that 680. If she tip $6, that turn that to, you know what I mean, 1280 just for that right there. Boom, boom. So, and I got 3 of the points too. I did 3 of the trip. They paying 3 points a trip too. So like I said, that's a whole nother thing as well. I explained that before. Oh, almost got lost. Hey, which way did I come in? Oh yeah, this way, because they had the candy bowl right there. I was looking at it. But yeah, I'm about to, so that was a quick little 2 little trips. I did 3 altogether for today, for 25.50. So, you know what I mean? 3 little trips real quick, and I'm just out here doing my thing. Like to sit back and kick it, and if you want to take a break, you know what I mean, go ahead and take a break. And that's before she even tipped. So if she tipped real quick, that'll turn it to even more. You see, I got a $2 tip from the last one. So that's the most important thing, people. Like, if you tip in a lot, you know what I mean, it ain't like, I mean, you getting the same person, but that just makes somebody's day better. I mean, knowing that they got like $12 for a trip or something instead of like $5 or something, or $6. Just make it a little better. So that was just a whole little trip, man, and just showing y'all what it was. These right here, like I showed you, I've been working at my other job, so I ain't been able to really bust them this month. But once you get into gold, you know what I mean, you get 100% tuition coverage at the, I think that's Arizona State University. Then they give you these, like the roadside assistance and 3% on the gas back if you got the Uber card. That's definitely get the Uber card. Diamond, you know what I mean, you get 5, you can get the, you know what I mean, so it's definitely different stuff as well as earning money and driving and doing your own thing. So if you're looking for it, want to do it or something, man, and just want to check it out, go ahead and sign up on the link. Orderers, please tip, that'd be great. And thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, all that.